If you've been consuming self-improvement content for months or years, but still feel like the same man you were when you started, this video explains why. Most men become professional students of masculinity instead of masters of their reality. They read, watch, learn, but never systematically implement what actually creates lasting change. I'm Coach Kelvin Clement from the Realities Channel, where I break down the philosophical and psychological truths that shape men's lives. After studying what separates men who transform from men who stay stuck, I discovered something critical. Transformation isn't about more information. It's about systematic implementation of proven principles. That's why I created the Modern Masculine Framework. Not another course promising quick fixes, but a complete system based on ancient wisdom and strategic psychology. This isn't 6 random modules. It's a carefully designed progression through 6 interconnected pillars. Module 1, the Prince's Foundation, shifting from peasant mindset to royal psychology, using identity transformation protocols. Module 2, Silent Authority Mastery, learning the power of strategic presence and psychological dominance without manipulation. Module 3, Instant Confidence Alchemy, neural rewiring techniques for unshakable inner authority. Module 4, Masculine Magnetism, strategic attraction and relationship mastery without toxic game playing. Module 5, Financial Sovereignty, the Prince's approach to wealth creation and resource control. Module 6, Integration and Mastery, living the complete framework as an automatic system. What makes this different from everything else you've tried? First, it's systematic. Each module builds on the previous one, creating compound transformation rather than scattered improvements. Second, it's practical. Every lesson includes specific protocols, templates, and implementation strategies you use immediately. Third, it addresses the whole man: psychology, presence, confidence, relationships, wealth, and integration. Most courses focus on just one area. This is for ambitious men aged 25 to 45 who understand that change doesn't take time. It takes decision. If you're tired of being a student of masculinity and ready to become a master of your reality, the complete framework is available now. 130 minutes of systematic transformation content, plus emergency protocols, advanced psychology modules, and exclusive Brotherhood access. Click the link in the description to access the Modern Masculine Framework immediately. This is your moment to stop improving and start transforming. Remember, while you're planning and researching, other men are implementing and claiming the life you want. The question is, how long will you stay a student when you could become a prince?